students, welcome to Vital Statistics chapter. We are discussing measures of fertility. The previous session we have discussed CBR, that is crude birth rate. So the drawback of CBR is in CBR they are not considering age and sex of the population. To overcome this, the next measure is GFR, that is general fertility rate. In GFR, we are considering age and sex of the population. So GFR is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1000 women of childbearing age in a year. Childbearing age means age of females between 15 to 49 age group is called as childbearing age. So the formula of GFR is GFR equals number of live births during a year divided by total number of women of childbearing age in the year into 1000. So this we can also write in short form as B divided by summation 15 to 49 FP into 1000. So please remember, while calculating GFR we have a condition. So what is that condition? For calculation of GFR we need only female population and we want the age group of only 15 to 49. So this means above 49 age group you are not considering, below 15 age group we are not considering. So then merits of GFR. First merit is it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. Second one, it considers only female population of the childbearing age. As you know, for birth rate we need only female population. So here they are considering female population only. Third merit, it considers the sex composition of the population, also the age composition to a certain extent. For birth rate we need age and sex of the population. So here they are considering age and sex of the population. So then what are the demerits of GFR? It does not consider age composition in the childbearing age. So this means using GFR data we cannot find specified age group birth rate. Second demerit is it cannot be used to compare fertility rates of two or more populations. Using GFR data we cannot compare the birth rate of two or more populations. Third demerit is it does not indicate rate of growth of population due to live births because it is based on a part of the population only. See, GFR does not indicate the rate of growth of population because it considers only the part of the population only. So now we'll solve some examples on GFR. The first example, calculate general fertility rate from the following data. See, the first column age group is given, second column number of women, third column number of live births. So as you know, the formula of GFR is GFR equals B divided by summation 15 to 49 female population into 1000. As I told earlier, before solving the GFR, we want only female population and the age group 15 to 49. So first you observe the female population is given. So in this question only female population is given, okay. Age group 15 to 49 is there. So now you calculate the GFR. So for calculation of GFR, we need total female population is 1 lakh and total births is 7200. So now you substitute the values. So GFR equals B divided by summation 15 to 49 female population into 1000. So births is 7200 divided by female population of the age group 15 to 49 is 1 lakh into 1000. So this becomes GFR is equal to 72 births per 1000 women of childbearing age. So let us take one more example on GFR. So this is very important. This is 5 marks question. From the following data, calculate the crude birth rate and the general fertility rate. First column age group is given, second column male population, third column female population is given. Next, births occurring to females. So births is also given. So this is the question. For this question, we need to find both CBR as well as GFR. As you know, CBR, the formula of CBR is B upon P into 1000. To calculate CBR, we need only total births and total population. For calculation of CBR, we need both male population as well as female population. So this means we want total male population and female population and also total births. And the second one, GFR. See the formula of GFR. Formula of GFR is B divided by summation 15 to 49 FP into 1000. To calculate GFR, we need total births and female population. We need female population of the age group only 15 to 49. Okay, we want only the female population of only 15 to 49. So these total we want. For calculation of GFR, we want only female population of the age group 15 to 49. We want this total. So total male population is 67,206. Total female population is 64,060 and total births is 1,868. So first CBR is B upon P into 1000. Substitute total births is 1,868 divided by population of male is 67,206 plus total population of female is 67,060 into 1000. So this becomes 1868 divided by, after adding male and female, total population is 1,34,266 into 1000. So CBR is equal to 14.23. Next, calculate GFR. First one, GFR is completed. Next, we are going to find the GFR. So then the formula of GFR is B upon summation 15 to 49 FP into 1000. So now you substitute the values. So total births is 1,868 divided by total female population of the age group 15 to 49 is 36,320 into 1000. So this becomes the final answer of GFR is equal to 51.43. So 51.43 is the final answer. So thank you.